Hello everyone, welcome to Crack SAP. I have uploaded a new many videos and kindly watch, subscribe and like it and share it. Now I am going to create a profit center. Before that, I have uploaded many videos, interview questions and answers, and watch, subscribe and share it and like it. So how to create a profit center? Now I am going ahead. That is KE51 for create a profit center. Now I am going with the new profit center is 3 number and just hit enter. Here it is a name of the profit center. It's a test profit center 1 and make test profit center user. You can make it from the list, and person responsible sales and marketing department or persons, and this is then for the sales team. And profit center group is the YBPH, just I was created. And what is the indicator? Here you can log the profit center. Here which company code you are going to use for this one, just tick mark here. And joint venture if it is there, and address, and this profit center belongs to which address. You can make a input here. So this is for information purpose, basic. Now I'm going to save here, hit enter. Now it is asking me profit center 1820003 is saved in the inactive status. This is more important because of it is in the inactive status. If you see here, it is in the inactive status with the creation. When we are going to inactive state, just click here for the activation, hit enter. Automatically it will change the status now. So status has been changed, profit center has been created. If you KE53 for display, now this is a hit enter. See here it is in a active position. So it can be used here. Thanks for watching my video, and subscribe, like it, and click the bell button to alert. Thanks for watching.